Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ke National People's Party Conrad kongkel sangma ulaong bagi uniform civil code kamdai satyaban Ktah jika Kolshor bat ke Rukom jong ki Riewlum kamtam kito ki basong basa Meghalaya. Haba keren cikilat patai kubor haga singi satjan Conrad ulaong bakum bakalong menta 4 don batip syai ka bakum no kaan ke sorkar Pdiang kan wanra ban pentrikam nya ke uniform civil code. Henry ulaong bala da ka don shisha ka jing pentrikam ya ke UCC ka baperking bat ka balong saron sar ha ka ribaro ka way ka NPP kanam Pdiang satya ya ka bakum kata. Ulaong ru bakum bakapaw lada pentrikam ya ke UCC kan don ka jing Ktah ya ki Riewlum ki basyong basa ka than sa telam mingi bat kamtam ya ki jat benreu ki basyim ya ka jat ka kenjan ka kemi kumbalong ha Meghalaya. Lada pentrikam makna ya ke UCC ru ulaong bakaan kadai ban pelat no ki katto kat ne ki jilla lane ki jat benreu na ka jing syate ha ke UCC.
See, this particular bill is a private member's bill. It's not a government bill, number one. And hence there was no specific information that this particular bill was being brought in was there because it was a private member's bill. So private member's bill can come up and it has come up. So that's number one. So it's not a government bill, it's a private member's bill. Number two, the Uniform Civil Code and the kind of approach that is there to the Uniform Civil Code will very, very extremely and in a very negative manner impact the culture and the way of life of the tribes of the Northeast and the culture of the Northeast, and especially among the matrilineal tribes, especially in the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, for us as a party, I don't want to say as a government right now, but I'm speaking as a political party, we are very clear that Universal Civil Code is something that cannot be accepted by the National People's Party. Or at least it should not be, it should be certain areas of exemption. There may be certain areas where the central government wants certain things to be done, certain concerns are there, which we are not aware of. But anything that happens should not affect the culture and the way of life of the people of Meghalaya. Uniform Civil Code would mean that how would the property be transferred to the children. So if the Uniform Civil Code says that it has to go to the eldest son, like it's done in the other parts of the country, then it doesn't go with the culture of the state where we give it to the youngest daughter in many tribes. So hence these kind of conditions are there which need to be discussed in detail, and hence we don't know what kind of a bill will ultimately come out if it comes out by the government. So we cannot say right now without seeing the actual bill that government will come out with. This is just a private member's bill. Difficult to say, but the whole concept of UCC is something, if it goes in toto and it is going to be a uniform, means it's going to be a strict uniform where they're going to change the cultural practices of the state of Meghalaya. Obviously, that's something that we as a state, as a party, cannot accept.